Welcome to Part 3 of the Fittings 101 video series, Ferrules. A ferrule is the smallest part of a fitting. While the nut provides the driving force for compression, it's the ferrule that compresses against the tubing to hold it in place. Ferrules come in all shapes and sizes, but the one thing they have in common is a tapered nose designed to grip the tubing wall. When choosing the right ferrule for any given application, tubing size, pressure requirements, mating nuts, and most importantly, the geometry of the receiving port must all be considered. Ferrules used in low-pressure connections generally have the tapered nose facing inward, toward the nut, while high-pressure connections have the tapered nose of the ferrule facing outward. These configurations are designed to create the best seal against the tubing wall. Continue watching the other videos in the series and download your copy of Fittings 101, a practical guide to connections and fittings in your laboratory, for more in-depth information about how fittings work at idex-hs.com/fittings101.